guys, and welcome back to Miss Educate. Today we are going to be looking at different writing techniques that can help to make our text more descriptive. So how can we make our writing more descriptive? Well, we can use a variety of writing techniques. Let's take a look at each one. Personification, metaphors, similes, onomatopeia, repetition, alliteration. Let's look at each one individually. First up, personification. This is where we give human emotions, actions, and qualities to non-human objects. Let's look at an example. The sun smiled down on everyone. The trees reached out and grabbed him. Now, obviously, a sun can't actually smile and trees don't actually reach out and grab us. But by giving the sun and trees these nouns, human-like qualities, it makes our writing more descriptive and makes the reader feel that they are really there. Let's take a look at the next one. Similes. We use similes as a way of comparing two different things, and we do that using the words like or as. Let's take a look at some examples. He ran as fast as a cheetah. It was sharp like a knife. Metaphors. These are similar to similes, but are a more direct comparison, where you say something is something else. Let's take a look. He was a cheetah running through the desert. Her hair was a golden river. With metaphors, we are given the description directly. It can make us have a vision in our minds of what that thing is doing or what it looks like. Onomatopeia. When we use words that sound like the noise they describe. Let's take a look. Drip, pop, snap, crack, sizzle. Try and use those in a sentence. They're quite fun to use. And repetition. We can use a word or phrase repeatedly to give a more emphasis and effect. Writers do this all the time. This repetition of a word or a sentence, it really gives an emphasis to that particular sentence. Oh my gosh, there is water. Water everywhere. Time after time he visited her house. Go, go, go. Alliteration. This is when we use words that start with the same sound to make the sentence more fun and to have more impact on the reader. The Queen laughed at the funny frog. The beautiful bouncing baby brought joy to everyone. Can you use some of these techniques in your writing? If you do, you definitely will take your writing to a higher level and give the reader more of an insight into what you are describing. Maybe look through again and see how many you can use, or look at a piece of writing you've already done and see if you can add some in. Well done today, guys. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you next time. If you found the video useful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hit the bell for notifications.